First, open Mozilla Firefox. Click the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings. Scroll down to the Fonts section. Click the Font drop-down menu. Choose the font you want to use. Next, click the Size drop-down menu. Select your preferred font size. If you want more font options, click Advanced. Here, you can change the serif, sans serif, monospace, and proportional font settings. You can also set a minimum font size if you don't want websites to display text below a certain size. After making your changes, simply close the Settings tab. Firefox will automatically save your changes. That's it. This is how you can change the font and font size in Mozilla Firefox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.